news just coming in. The Punjab government, we are learning, has now sent a panel of 10 names for the DGP Punjab to the UPSC. Now, this looks like an attempt to placate Navjot Singh Sidhu after he reportedly raised concerns over the appointment of certain officials, including the AG and the DGP of Punjab. Now, in that video statement that Navjot Singh Sidhu had released earlier, he didn't name any names, but he was essentially talking about two appointments which have upset Navjot Singh Sidhu. They are, of course, of the AG Deol as well as the DGP Sahota. Now, these two we are being told are perhaps under reconsideration as far as the Congress party is concerned. We are told that a name that the Punjab government, headed by, of course, the new Chief Minister Channi, has now sent a panel of 10 names for these two posts. Now, whether that actually goes through or not, we don't know. But even as this happens, even as the Punjab, in Punjab, obviously the Congress party still tries to placate Navjot Singh Sidhu, we are told that Charanjit Singh Channi will be heading to the national capital today. He leaves from Chandigarh at about 12 o'clock this afternoon. Who he's going to meet in the national capital, we don't know yet. But let's go across to our correspondents on the ground right now, Kritsween, Amandeep and Gursimran. Amandeep, if I could come to you first on this. Amandeep, we are learning that there is a new list of names that has now been worked upon and is under consideration. Is the Congress party now perhaps taking a step back in a bid to resolve this crisis?
Well, Nupur, this is a routine procedure. Just because appointment of DGP is not under the consideration of state government, UPSC has to clear the name of DGP of any state. So that is the reason after removing Dinkar Gupta from the DGP's post, they have to prepare a new list. But for the time being, they have given the additional charge to IPS Sahota as a DGP Punjab till the time UPSC finalize the names and shortlist the names, and IPS Sahota would be holding the charge of DGP. But the way Sidhu raised objections over the appointment of IPS Sahota as additional charge of DGP, so in fact yesterday late night held a meeting, Charanjit Singh Channi held a meeting with the Chief Secretary and DGP also. They've immediately prepared a list, and even by the morning they have sent the panel to UPSC to finalize the name. And in fact this is a proper procedure to follow to appoint the DGP of the state, and even to satisfy Sidhu's ego also. Just because Sidhu was too much of adamant that his demand is not considered by Charanjit Singh Channi or Harish Chaudhary yesterday in the meeting. They are trying to manage the situation, they are trying to resolve it amicably, but Sidhu just wanted to go by his own way. He is not ready to compromise on any of the demand. And number two demand, appointment of AG. In fact, that will be discussed by the High Command along with Charanjit Singh Channi. That is the reason he was moving to Delhi today itself, and even AG's name and even AG's entire record will be discussed with the High Command, even with the Harish Rawat as well, what we are learning so far. And even there, they will decide that who will be the AG. Either APS Deol should be removed from the post of AG, or he should sustain as a AG of Punjab. So complications are still sustaining in the Punjab government as well as Punjab Congress, just because Sidhu is not stepping down from any of his demand. And even on the other side, Charanjit Singh Channi is trying to resolve this in a very flexible manner. He always he always invites Sidhu to sit and talk, but nothing has been come out fruitful. And even Harish Chaudhary tried to convince Navjot Singh Sidhu that Charanjit Singh Channi is the one who holds the government now, who's owning the government actually. So let him take the call.
So perhaps these are little moves that are being made to make sure that, they are able perhaps to pacify Sidhu at the moment. Now, let's get in a word from Gursimran, who's in Patiala. Gursimran, give us a sense of what you are hearing from, Sidhu's side. Obviously, there have been a lot of gestures made, but the Congress party is going back and forth over the issue of what they can do to pacify him and where they're going to draw the line.
See what the actions that have taken place in the recent past or in the last couple of hours, this shows that now Sidhu is playing on front foot, because it was what that was discussed by CM Channi with Navjot Singh Sidhu yesterday in meeting, and this is what we have been running since yesterday, that Sidhu was told that DGP Sahota has been given the officiating charge of DGP Punjab, and this list has to be finalized by the UPSC. 3 names will be sent back, and these 10 names also include the former DGP of Punjab, who is on leave now, Dinkar Gupta. As this is a protocol, they have to send the name of 10 senior most IPS officers. So they have sent the name and they are waiting for the 3 names. When these 3 names will arrive, it's likely that Punjab will see a new Director General of Police, and one of the demands of Navjot Singh Sidhu will get fulfilled. But what about the others? Because it's not about only replacing the DGP, because DGP's replacement was on the cards. Now if we speak of what is here for Sidhu, Sidhu is right now inside his residence in Patiala. This is what we are being told, and he won't be leaving his residence today, though we are told that there are some meetings lined up with some of the MLAs who will be arriving here only, but Sidhu won't be going anywhere. So it is seen as that now Sidhu will leave only and only when his demands are met. This is kind of a situation here, and we are being told this. Yes.
All right, let's also bring in Kritsween into this. Now, Kritsween, you're reporting from outside Captain Amrinder Singh's farmhouse. This drama essentially was set off by his resignation. Now, he says that he's likely to float another political party. But the fear for the Congress will be if he manages to break away MLAs from the Congress party. Now, give us a sense of what that could mean.
Oh yes, Nupur, because highly placed sources have told us that party leaders and MLAs from the Congress could be joining the party that Captain Amrinder Singh floats, and we're being told that that could happen perhaps in the next 10 to 15 days at maximum. So that's the word coming in from Captain Amrinder Singh and what his plans could look like. But as for these Congress leaders are concerned, this, remember, is going to plunge the Congress into crisis further. They are already looking at an internal tussle as far as the Navjot Channi clash is concerned. They're trying to resolve that, and the captain, stepping down as Chief Minister has certainly set things in motion, and the crisis is only getting worse for the Congress party. But it's not just Congress leaders, Nupur. We're also being told that some of the disgruntled Akalis could also be joining hands with Captain Amrinder Singh. So a series of meetings that could perhaps take place in the coming few hours, the coming few days, and what really Captain's plans could look like. Because, when he confirmed with his statement that he will be quitting the party, for sure he will be floating his own party, he made it very clear that senior Congress leaders are being sidelined time and again. So there are several other senior Congress leaders as well who feel that party issues are not being handled with care, and things have been allowed to go out of control. In that sense, we could see some of the Congress leaders joining hands with Captain Amrinder Singh. But not just that, he also raised some very other important points, Nupur, when he spoke of how the misgovernance could be an advantage to, let's say, Pakistan and ISI. And, several other issues that he'd stated of how Navjot Singh Sidhu is a mere crowd puller, so on and so forth. These were the reasons essentially given out by him. But at the moment, yes, the plans for a new political party is what the captain is looking at very, very closely.
Absolutely. So the conundrum that the Punjab political scenario now continues. All three of you, thank you for joining us for the moment. We will be connecting with you later.